y'all. Today I am going to show you a super quick and easy Black Friday breakfast food. I've got a can of the flaky cinnamon rolls with that yummy cinnamon icing. We've got a packet of bacon bits. Ooh, but not the dry stuff. I'm just gonna put a whole bunch on there. Probably won't use the whole bag. And then you're going to be adding some walnuts as well. Again, not the whole bag, just enough to kind of, you know, be kind of like a filling. And then this reason we unrolled this was so we can actually add this like as a second filling. So now we're going to roll each this up completely. This is gonna be so good, y'all. Like the day after Thanksgiving, but you guys have to go cooking, go shopping, not cooking, shopping, but you need something to eat. This is a perfect dessert for that. Then this goes into a 13 by 9 dish like that. And once you have these sliced up, don't they look amazing? They're like bacon and walnuts and cinnamon and sugar and cinnamon rolls. We're just gonna add some heavy whipping cream. And then this is all gonna go into an oven. It's gonna go into a 375-degree oven for about, I don't know, like between 12 and 15 minutes, depending on your oven. So start checking it around the 12-minute mark. And there we go. I'm gonna pop this into the oven, and when we come back, we're gonna see what it looks like. Look at these, they look so good, and the kitchen smells amazing. We're gonna do a couple of more things. We've got the icing that came with the cinnamon rolls, so that's gonna go on top. Just drizzle that everywhere. This is gonna be so great. Like, it's just good, kind of like, there's a little protein, there's decent amount of sugar, carbs, you know, so you can tackle that Black Friday shopping against all those crowds. Then we're going to be adding up just a touch of hot honey, just so there's a little spicy kick, but not something that's overwhelming. Just something to kind of, you know, wake you up in the morning after the day after Thanksgiving. Okay, so once we've done that, I'm going to take that last little bit of the bacon bits, sprinkle that on top. And then we're also going to take the last of that little bag of walnuts. And that's going to go on top as well. Okay, let me get a plate. I'm going to do a little taste test. I don't even know. I'm going to grab this one. This corner is always like my favorite. So look at, oh, that looks, it looks like I've bought this at a store. And look, bacon donuts, super popular, right? So this looks amazing. Ugh. Bacon, walnuts, cinnamon roll. They're so good. You have to make this absolutely a hit. Amazing.